Welcome to Vridhivesh Finance. We are presenting discount offer GMP achieved by Vridhivesh Finance for Metro Brand Limited, and yes, absolutely new share target for Metro Brands Limited, which will be valid till February ending 2022. Dear investors and viewers, yes, we have given this discount offer of the in case of a GMP. Suppose this share has gone below the IPO pricing, what it can be touch up to, and yes, it has been touch up below that pricing. So that's the reason we are uploading this video. So have a look around this chart and all. GMP prediction for Metro Brand Limited IPO 2021. Dear investors and viewers, suppose this has offer as a discount offer to attract the investors. It can touch up below the 450 INR only. We are expecting that Metro Brand might be goes down, probably, and suppose it has given a good returns on the day of listing. It can a minimum we are expecting 575 INR, where maximum it can goes up to band 750 INR, but it is quite upper limit. Yeah, it can goes to 850 also, because we can't say anything about the management having good grassroots over here in the industry. Yeah, but probably they will gives you discount offer according to us, because uh, everybody is looking for an investment over here. So we are expecting this may gives you good discount offer, but if they wanted to show the positive signal, they can touch up to 600 around, that is 575 INR we are mentioning over here, because 600 and all we can't give it to you perfect in writing, because the strategy which they are holding over here, we are expecting discount offer in this IPO. Dear viewers, if you see Metro Brand Limited, we have given the GMP as a discount offer 450, and minimum it can goes maximum 575, or a minimum INR it can list means 575, or it can goes up to maximum INR 750. But as we see the volatility into this IPO or the share, we can say, but it could not gives you good listing amount below the IPO pricing. So that's the reason we have given discount price over here for this IPO while doing analysis of GMP. So if you see, this share has opened up on 450 at least in this chart you can see over here, and we have given 450 was our discount offer on the day of listing for Metro Brand Limited, and yes, it has crossed it, and we were expecting it should goes 575, but unfortunately they have touched up to maximum 512. So that's the reason we are uploading this video. So our analysis somewhere in discount offer nowadays coming set true around that particular hardly 10 rupees or 12 to 13 rupees it has gone down. 437 was probably the day it has been Metro Brand has opened, but it has touched up to immediate within 450 within 10 minutes even. So you should have a look around the Metro Brand Limited. Yeah, this is the company which is having a long largest one of the Metro Brand shoes making shoes selling. Basically they are having large amount of retail into the market. So you can have in summary what is our GMP prediction. Web link is available in the description, at the bottom of the description, as well as our IPO detail, where we have given the details about this Metro Brand Limited. So the new target for Metro Brand Limited, which will be valid till February 2022, we are predicting this share target for Metro Brand, because we can see that there is a lot of volatility in this share. So that's the reason we have given a large amount of gap in between this minimum INR. If it is going down, it will touch up to 350, and suppose this share goes up it can touch up to above 650. So hopefully it will become a true very soonly, and we will upload our another video for Metro Brand Limited. Thank you by Vridivej Finance, and there is lot of surprises are available on 29th of December on our video on our YouTube channel, where we will give you international projection as well as some domestic reports also. Yes, this perfect GMP analysis reports may available on 29 December. Till the time you had to subscribe our channel so you can know it. What GMP we are not overvaluating, but we gives a realistic to analysis to the market, and our stat might work, might not work, because we have seen lot of IPOs in the queue, and yes, absolutely all companies can't strategize themselves. Yeah, they can do the business, they can do, they have a lot of amount of departments, so they will concentrate over there rather than the shares only. So you can have a look around that. Our stats probably comes true, but in case of Indian market, it hasn't comes true as much as in international market, as we have another segment, and that is the Nasdaq predictions since 31st August. Since the August 1st week we have uploaded on our YouTube channel. You can have a look around that. At least we can say 75% plus our prediction about Nasdaq has comes true, because we want to give Indian investors as into international projections, so they can invest into international market, and they can have a good amount of rate of returns. And that's the reason we expect Indians should give a wisely vision, or the vision which is beyond just domestic market, to gain some kind of money and profit booking. So that's the reason we are going to start up international projection, because already Indians, means like not only we but also other Indians also making this kind of IPO series for domestic branding, for domestic market. So we think that India should see the international international companies rather than just concentrating on Indian companies, because we see large amount of people from the abroad has investing into Indian market, and they book the profit. So why Indian could not reverse thinking about it? Indian also have a vision to do the same as like them. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Bye bye.